I'm sure that you resented my statement when we were in the cabinet, when you were presenting your supposed position as against the position of the Department of Foreign Affairs when President Aquino invited me to attend a cabinet meeting on the Scarborough.
Nako, ito na.
Problem, and I told...
Nako, napapapikit-pikit na siya. Wag mo kaming dadalhin dyan sa usaping Scarborough na yan. Diyan nag-iinit ang puwet ko. In the future, demanda ko nga si ano eh. Dahil dyan sa Scarborough na yan. Ito na yung Scarborough na to. Oh, magagalit na naman si Trillanes. Sasabihin niya, bakit mo pinlay yan? Baka Trillanes, magagalit ka na naman, pinlay ko ito. Laman ng mga balita ito, ha? Record to ng Senate. Record ito ng Senate. Hindi ho ito record-recordan lang o vlog-vlog lang. Patay tayo dyan.
Who authorized you to make a backroom negotiation with the Chinese?
Naku, sino ang nag-utos sa'yo para Ngahilig ka palang, Ako, yari na. Sabi nito, hindi tama yan ginagawa nyo sa akin.
For the Scarborough.
Nako.
Yes, and the
And you were telling me about treason. Remember?
Yes, and the President answered you directly that he authorized me. He told it in your face.
Oh, naku. Takbo na sa puwet ni Pinoy. Sabi ng Presidente. Oh, gumano na ngayon si Trillanes, oh. Kaya lang, dito siya nagkamali, eh. Meron siyang pagkakamali dito na ipo-point out ni Enrile. Oh, wait a minute, ha?
Mr. President.
What? Yes, that's correct.
Oh, that's correct.
I accepted that because I did not know that you were authorized. But the fact is that I asked you, whom did you talk to in China?
I don't need to report to the Senate President, Mr. President.
You have a duty to report what you do as a senator to this...
Yan, ito problema kasi. Sinasabi ni Enrile, importanteng maintindihan to. Trillanes, wala ka sa executive branch. You are in the Senate. And your Senate President, diyan nagpapaalam pag umaalis. Alam niyo ho ba na bawat opisyal na umaalis ng bansa, nagpapaalam sa kanyang pinaka-immediate superior, ika nga. Okay? Linawin ho natin yun. Kasi yan ang... Dali, gumagalaw na naman. Steady ka lang. Ayan, ang galing nung AI yan eh. Napaganon ako, kaya gumanon din siya eh. Naintindihan ho? Importante ho kasi yan malaman ng bawat isa sa atin eh. Na itong si Trillanes ay isang senador. Ibig sabihin po niyan, kailangan niyang magpaalam sa Senate President pag siya aalis ng bansa. Kaya nga sila binibigyan ng travel authority. Bawat empleyado ng gobyerno, kung saan ka nagtatrabaho, laging tatanungin yan. Oh. Kaya nga tuwing lumalabas si Moca, alam ko yan. Tuwing lumalabas si Moca nung panahon ni Pangulong Duterte, kailangan lagi ng travel authority. Ngayon nga, pag pumupunta kami sa Japan, hindi na si Moca opisyal. Pero siyempre, nare-recognize siya. Ang unang tanong kagad sa kanya ng immigration is, Ma'am, nasa gobyerno pa po kayo? Ang sagot ni Moca, wala, nasa GS 1250 na ako. Yun ang amo niya ngayon eh. Yung motor niya. So, bakit tinatanong yun? Kasi importante na kailangan paglabas mo, magbibigay ka ngayon ng travel authority. So, ito yung sinasabi ni Enrile. Tinanong kita, anong ginawa mo doon? Bakit ka nagpunta doon? Bilang senador, may pananagutan ka sa akin bilang Senate President. Yun ang pinupunto dito ni Enrile. Na hindi magets nito ni Trillanes dahil mahina.
Chamber. And in fact, you have a duty to notify the office of the Senate President when you leave this country to go abroad.
But I did
And
not.
the only time that I have authorized you is one time. I do not know how many times you have been to China. My understanding is you have been to China talking to the Chinese government for 6 times already.
Yes. And
that you have met them 15 or 16 times. For what reason? We do not know. Are you becoming a fifth columnist of the Chinese in this country?
Naku po, patay kang bata ka. Durog na durog si Trillanes dito. Ilang beses ka na magiging ano ka na ba dyan? Ambassador ka na ba ng China? Yari ka dyan. Nagkamali ka, Trillanes. Alam mo, feeling ko lang naman. Alam mo yung feeling, as in letter P? Feeling ko, na-trauma si Trillanes dito. Feeling ko talaga na-trauma siya dito eh. Tapos sabi niya, sa susunod na nga, kukontrahin ko na lang yung mga vloggers. Hindi, feeling ko lang naman, yun ang naramdaman niya dito eh. Na-trauma siya, ayoko nang kumontra sa mga senador. Yari ako talaga dito. At least kung mga vlogger lang, pwede na natin kontrahin yan.
The Senate President is not privy to the backroom channel talks, and I'm not obliged in any way to
I think you
divulge.
have a duty to inform the people.
I have already informed the people, but not the Senate President. I'm not obliged to report to the Senate President. And all this line of questioning is irrelevant again. And should this line of questioning continue, I will have to say that I will refuse to yield anymore the floor.
No, I'm asking you a question. You went to China, you asked the ambassador of the Philippines there, Madam Brady, for a meeting, and you said, do not take notes during our conversation. And you called the Secretary of Foreign Affairs a traitor. In fact, you told me that he committed treason.
Yes, it was an executive session, and we're not supposed to divulge what's happening in
you
the...
want, I will read it to the record.
Naku po, ito na. Barado ka. Oh. Kasi sinabihan daw niya yung Secretary of na kesyo treason.
Conversation with Brady,
But it's
and his
supposed
notes to the Department of Foreign
it's
Affairs.
supposed to be a confidential matter.
Yes, but there's nothing confidential.
Even in the executive meeting, cabinet meeting, in the cabinet meeting in Malacanang, Mr. President, I will refuse to answer if that's
Because
going
you
to be the
cannot
line.
answer the
No,
questions I'm
because
going
it's
to ask
going
you
to
about
be
your
improper
meeting.
in this.
Tingnan mo, ang parang nagpe-preside ngayon dyan is tumata yung Senate President ngayon dyan, since ito yung Senate President si Enrile, si Jinggoy. Yun yung tinitingnan niya ngayon, si Jinggoy, nagsusumbong siya. Jinggoy, patigilin mo na to! Patigilin mo na to si Enrile! Gumaganon-ganon siya.
Particular interpellation.
Because you cannot answer the questions I'm going to ask you.
I can answer, but I won't be baited into that trap.
You met,
The point
you met
here
Brady.
is, Mr. President, this is
Mr.
how I
President,
felt.
may I request this gentleman
Mr. President,
to
in
be
that case,
admonished.
I will refuse to yield the floor anymore
Well,
for
in that case, I
any
will read it
interpellation.
read it to the record.
Eto ha, mag-rule ngayon yung President, yung Senate President, pakinggan ninyo ha.
The record, the notes that Mrs. Brady or Ambassador Brady
Ayan na. Umiiyak na yan, umiiyak na. Tumatakbo na.
wrote about your conversation with her in Beijing.
Hindi niya kayang harapin. Ako, yari na. Trillanes, anyari sa'yo? Akala ko ba atapang-atao ka? Ngayon, di mo na kayang sagutin si Enrile.
On August 12, 2012. You want me to read
point
this?
of order,
Humingi pa ng point of order sa Senate President. Na nakaupo doon kay Jinggoy. Jinggoy, point of order daw.
Mr. President.
You want me to read this?
Point of
What is
order.
the point of order?
What is the point of order? Tinanong ni Jinggoy si Trillanes. Anong sasagot ni Trillanes?
The Senate President may reveal sensitive information pertaining to foreign.
So pinipigilan niya yung transcript ng usapan nila nung si Braider. Kung nagpa-braid ba daw siya? Naku, ito na. Ito na. Ano kayang sasagot ni Jinggoy?
Relations and national security, And I believe it is out
National security daw. Naku po, biglang ipinasok pa yung national security. Naku, ano kaya ito, security guard?
of order in
You
this
do not teach me what
session.
the parliamentary proceedings. I'm not.
Do not teach me parliamentary proceedings. Ibig sabihin, wag mo akong turuan kung anong nangyayari dito. Matagal na ako. Kita mo, tanda-tanda ako na. Huwag kang magmagaling. Kakasampa mo lang dito. Ako matanda na. Inabutan ko pa si Rizal dito. Pati si Ninoy, inabutan ko dito. Galit na galit.
Not answerable to anybody about
There's a
what
point
I
of
say
order,
in this hall.
Mr. President.
The Senate President may proceed.
Naku, patay. Sabi ni Jinggoy, the Senate President may proceed. Ibig sabihin, pinagsasalitaan niya na si Enrile. Naku, patay ka ngayon. Napikon nagtatuloy si Trillanes. Iyak tayo ito si Trillanes ngayon. Oh, bakit mo ako pinayagan? Sabi niya.
All right. And
All
I
right.
have here the white paper that you've been writing about the Secretary of Foreign Affairs.
Naku po, yung sinulat mo sa Secretary Foreign Affairs. Eto na, sabasahin ko na. Eto na, ayaw niyang pabasa, ayaw niyang pabasa. Yari na, yari na. Ayun na. Aw! Aw!
17 August 2012. He cannot take the hit.
Grabe. Hindi kinaya, muwi. Kaya kaming mga vlogger na lang pinapatulan mo ngayon, no? May pinagmanahan si Mike Tae. Trillanes! Ako pa talaga? Ang babanatan mo? Akala mo makukuha ka ng kasikatan? Easy, Trillanes. Ha, si Banat ba itong binangga mo? Tuloy.
He's a coward.
Oh.
Senator Trillanes requested that no notes be taken.
Oh, ni-request daw, no notes.
That's one. Two.
Oh, ito ha, may mangyayari ditong matindi. Matindi, ito, pakinggan nyo, pakinggan. Oh.
What the Chinese want is to tone down the rhetoric. He met the night before
Mr. President.
Oh.
with the senior
Oy, sino yon? Sino yon? Sino yon? May pipigil kay Enrile? Sino yon? Sino yon?
Chinese
Point of order, Mr.
MFA
President.
officials.
Mr. President, excuse me, point of order.
Sabi ni MPTV Sports, sarap sampalin sa puwit ni Manatbay. Ay, grabe naman to si... Gumaganong-ganong pa, oh. Screenshot nyo nga yan. Maganda yan, prueba yan sa threat. Di ba? Gusto mo sampalin yung puwit ko. Ewan ko ba, ba't ang hilig nyo sa mga ganyong gayo? Talay. Ito.
Yes.
Mr.
The
President,
gentleman from Taguig.
just a point of inquiry and a point of order. Senator Trillanes had the floor, and he refuses to answer more questions. So the Senate President has all the right to continue and to speak if he rises on a point of personal privilege.
Well, then I will take the...
Yes, Mr. President. My apologies, sir. I'd
Wait lang.
just like to also mention that I am sad that this discussion is taking place, and I understand, sir, the sensibilities. But may I also just put on record that, or ask the chair, Mr. President, that if some of these things we're discussing now affects national security, although I deeply regret that this is happening, I deeply understand, Mr. President, the sensitivities being taken place.
Your Honor, I've been
Yes, sir.
in charge of national security in this country before you were born.
Nakapatid tayo dyan. Pag ginanyan ka na ni Enrile, wala na.